They say it never rains in Los Angeles. But today it's pouring. Just like my life. My name is Ethan and I used to be a rising star in Hollywood. But now, I am the most hated man in America. Why? Just because Chloe, the billionaire heiress of global studios, rolled her eyes at me at a party. That's it. One eye roll. Now Twitter is blowing up. Number Ethan is over party is the #1 hashtag. People are sending me DMs telling me to quit acting and go flip burgers. And where is Chloe? She's probably sitting in her Beverly Hills mansion, liking mean tweets about me. Everyone is betting on when my career will officially die. If you want to know how a broke-hated actor fights back against the whole world, and finds out that his worst enemy is actually his only protector, hit that subscribe button and like this video. Let's get into the story. My agent Sarah called me screaming, "Ethan, are you crazy? Why did you mess with Chloe? Her family owns half of Hollywood." I looked out the window at the rain. "I didn't do anything, Sarah. We grew up together. I just put a spider in her lunchbox when we were 7. Sarah screamed again. "You are not 7 anymore. She holds a grudge, Ethan. It's true. Chloe and I were neighbors. She was the rich princess. I was the boy next door. I loved to tease her. I pulled her pigtails. I scared her with bugs. I thought it was funny. She didn't. When I told her I wanted to be an actor, she laughed. She said, You're too soft. Hollywood will eat you alive." I thought she was just being mean. But maybe she was right. Today was my last chance. I had a photo shoot for a luxury watch brand. Big money. But when I arrived at the studio in Burbank, my assistant Ben ran out. He looked terrified. "Ethan, don't go in. The director. He replaced you." "What? We signed a contract." I was furious. I pushed past Ben and stormed into the studio. And there he was. Justin. The new it boy. The guy with the perfect smile and the fake personality. He was wearing the suit I was supposed to wear. When he saw me, he smirked. The director didn't even look at me. "Security. Get this guy out of here." Chloe's orders. Chloe again. My heart sank. Justin walked over to me, whispering so no one else could hear. "Sorry, bro. Chloe prefers guys who listen. Not stubborn losers like you." I wanted to punch his perfect face. "Her taste in men is garbage," I said loudly. Justin's smile cracked. "Get out," he hissed. Suddenly the heavy studio doors opened. Click. Clack. Click. Clack. High heels on concrete. The room went silent. Chloe walked in. She was wearing a long black coat and dark sunglasses. 4 bodyguards walked behind her. She looked like a queen. Or a mafia boss. Justin immediately changed his face. He looked like an excited puppy. "Chloe. You came. Did you come to see me? I knew you cared." He talked loud. He wanted everyone to hear. He wanted everyone to know that the princess of Hollywood chose him. Chloe didn't stop walking. She didn't even look at him. She took off her sunglasses and looked straight at me. Justin kept talking. Chloe, this guy is bothering me. Can you tell him to leave? Chloe turned her head slightly. Who are you? She asked Justin. 3 words. Cold as ice. The whole crew tried not to laugh. Justin froze. I'm Justin. The new brand ambassador. You picked me. Chloe ignored him. She walked right up to me. She was so close I could smell her expensive perfume. She whispered. Ethan begged me. What? Say you're sorry. Beg me for help. And I'll fix this. She smirked. She was enjoying this. I looked into her eyes. In your dreams, Chloe. She laughed. You are so stubborn. You can't survive in this town. Justin tried to be a hero. He jumped between us. Ethan. Stop bothering her. Leave her alone. He was acting for the cameras. Trying to look like a protector. Chloe looked annoyed. Move. She said to Justin. Then she grabbed my wrist. You. Come with me. She dragged me out of the studio. Into the rain. And shoved me into her sports car. She drove like a maniac. Where are we going? I asked. My mom invited you for dinner. If I don't bring you, she'll kill me. Of course. Her mom. Ms. Vance always liked me. Dinner was awkward. Ms. Vance kept smiling. Ethan, eat more. You look skinny. Remember when you two were babies? You used to share a playpen. Chloe choked on her water. Mom. Stop. Oh, hush. You two are meant to be together. After dinner, Ms. Vance kicked us out. Go have fun. Go on a date. So we ended up in Chloe's car. Parked at a lookout point over the city lights. It was quiet. Chloe pulled out a bottle of wine from the back seat. We drank in silence for a bit. Then she looked at me. Her cheeks were pink. Why do you have to be so difficult, Ethan? Why do you have to be so mean? I shot back. She laughed. A sad little laugh. If you just trusted me, I could give you everything. I looked at her. Really looked at her. She wasn't the scary CEO right now. She was just the girl from next door. Maybe it was the wine. Maybe it was the rain. I leaned in and kissed her. She froze for a second. Then she kissed me back. It wasn't a gentle kiss. It was intense. Like 20 years of fighting turning into passion. The next morning I woke up in a hotel room. My phone was exploding. My agent called. It's over, Ethan. Justin posted a video. He says you harassed Chloe. The internet hates you. I looked over. Chloe was still sleeping next to me. She woke up. Rubbed her eyes. And took the phone from my hand. Hello? Who is screaming? My agent went silent. Is that Chloe? Chloe hung up. She looked at me. Her face turning red. I I'll take responsibility, she mumbled. I threw a pillow at her. I'm the man here. I don't need you to take responsibility. But the drama wasn't over. I got an offer for a reality TV show. The Mountain Cabin. A 24/7 live stream show. I thought it was a trap. But the investor was Chloe. I signed up. Guess who else was there? Justin. When the cast list was announced, the internet went crazy. OMG. Justin and Chloe are the perfect couple. Why is Ethan there? He's such a loser. We arrived at the cabin in the mountains. Justin arrived with a huge suitcase, acting like a superstar. Other guests, like a small-time actress named Ashley, were sucking up to him. Oh Justin, you're so handsome. Is it true you're dating Chloe? Justin acted shy. Oh, we're just close friends. He winked at the camera. Then Chloe walked in. The room went quiet. Justin ran to her. Chloe, let me take your bag. She walked right past him. She sat down next to me. The live stream chat went wild. Wait, why is she sitting next to Ethan? Is she angry at Justin? Chloe looked at me and pouted. Why didn't you text me back? I shrugged. Didn't see it. Liar. That night it was time to cook dinner. Justin volunteered. I'll make my famous pasta. Ashley cheered. Justin is such a good husband material. Justin cooked for 2 hours. He served everyone a plate. Except me. Oh no. Justin said, looking fake surprised. I miscounted. Sorry Ethan. No food for you. Ashley laughed. It's okay. Lazy people don't deserve to eat. I stood up to make instant noodles. But Chloe stood up too. She pushed her plate away. This looks disgusting, she said loudly. She grabbed my hand. Come on Ethan. Let's go get burgers. She pulled me out the door. Justin stood there, holding a spoon, looking like an idiot. The camera zoomed in on his face. The comments changed instantly. Did you see that? Chloe hates Justin. She held Ethan's hand. Are they dating? Things got darker the next day. I walked into my bedroom and smelled something terrible. There was a dead rat on my pillow. And a note. Stay away from her. I was furious. I went to the producers. Check the cameras. The producer was sweating. The cameras in the hallway were broken. Suddenly Chloe appeared. Broken? She asked. Her voice was calm but scary. I own this production company. If the cameras are broken, then you are fired. The producer started shaking. Okay. Okay. Here is the footage. We watched the video. It wasn't Justin. It was Ashley. She sneaked into my room with a black bag. Chloe dragged Ashley into the living room. We were live. Millions of people were watching. Explain this, Chloe said, throwing the video file on the table. Ashley started crying immediately. She pointed at Justin. It was him. Justin told me to do it. He said if I scared Ethan he would give me a role in his next movie. Justin panicked. His nice guy mask fell off. You crazy liar. I never said that. Yes you did. Ashley screamed. You said you wanted to destroy him. The internet exploded. Number Justin is fake started trending. Chloe stood in front of the camera. She put her arm around me. Listen to me. She said to the world. I only protect one person. And that is Ethan. Anyone who messes with him messes with me. The aftermath was brutal for them. Ashley was banned from the industry. Justin. He lost all his contracts. He tried to sue. But Chloe's lawyers crushed him. I heard he's working at a car wash in the valley now. Or maybe he found a rich old lady to take care of him. I don't know. As for me, my reputation is back. I got a lead role in a new blockbuster movie. But the best part isn't the fame. It's coming home. Chloe and I don't hide anymore. We posted a photo from our childhood. Me pulling her pigtails. Her looking angry. Caption. Always been you. So if you feel like the world is against you, just remember. Sometimes the person who gives you the hardest time is the one who loves you the most. I'm Ethan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories from Hollywood.